Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Elliot Tope from the International Home Marketing Group, and I'm so happy to be back with you today to introduce a new community that since the first day we revealed that it was coming soon, it got everybody talking and super excited. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this one, so with no further delay, please allow me to introduce you to Eagles Rest by Crystal Homes and Fernbrook Homes. Earlier this year, these dynamic companies collaborated to release Nouveau condominiums in Oakville, and Nouveau sold out in record time. Now they're back again to create a very special community called Eagles Rest Estates. Both Fernbrook and Crystal have a proven track record with over 70 years of combined home building experience. Fernbrook and Crystal are two names that purchasers have come to trust and to seek out when looking for their next home buying or investment purchase. Never resting on their past successes, they continue to push the boundaries of what a truly amazing home and community should be. Eagles Rest is located just north of Barrie and is a short drive off the Highway 400 in Oro-Medonte. With so many great amenities close by, living in Eagles Rest will truly be a four-season dream. Whether you want to go skiing, play a round of golf, get to the beach, or relax at the spa, Eagles Rest has it all. Plus, with all the shopping and restaurants and entertainment that Barrie has to offer, this is the best of the best. A true town and country living experience. Plus, getting back to the GTA is a quick drive down the 400 or also accessible by the GO train. Let's break down the community. Consisting of 208 freehold homes on 75 to 110-foot lots, I know there will be something there for everyone at Eagles Rest. Bungalows and two-story designs, all on oversized lots, and many are surrounded by protected green space. These are large lots, stuff that you just can't find in the city, and with depths of up to 200 feet, plus many of them having walkout basements, people are going to fall in love with Eagles Rest Estates. These lots are serviced, and you don't need to worry about septic tanks or wells in your yard. You'll have that country feel with all the features of a city lot. And of course, you'll have high-speed internet to service your entertainment and work-from-home needs. I can just imagine how many of the residents will finish off their homes with ample room to landscape and put in that dream backyard with a pool, a hot tub, an ice rink, or a hard court for tennis and basketball. The possibilities are endless. And some homes will also have the option for a coach house. The world has changed, and demand for properties like these have exploded. The opportunity to own at Eagles Rest will not last long. Here is the site map for the complete community, consisting of 75, 80, 90, 100, and 110-foot lots. Our first launch today will consist of every lot type. And for specific lots available, please check the release map that will be in the broker portal. What I really love about this community is how these lot types have been thoughtfully mixed to create street layouts that will make for a picture-perfect streetscape to stroll along. We've talked so far about the amazing location and the experienced building team. Now let me introduce you to the real stars of the show, the houses. Starting with our bungalow designs. Everyone consistently asks us for bungalows, but in a typical subdivision where the size of the lots are not the best, to make a truly great bungalow, it's almost impossible. But at Eagles Rest with our large lots, we've got them covered. Designed to take full advantage of the expansive lots, these homes are not only beautifully designed on the outside, they have been thoughtfully laid out on the inside to ensure maximum livability. This is our Providence model, a bungalow with a loft. I think it's sometimes better just to let the pictures do the talking. So here's a couple of our two-story designs, and as I've said before, the team has designed something for everyone. Triple car garages, 4-car garages, and when you see the inside of these houses, you know we've got you covered. I really love the architecture, and the use of the materials here has been so well thought out. These homes are exquisitely designed from every side. Just imagine spending time in this tranquil setting in your backyard with your family and friends. Lots that feature walkout basements will have these expansive rear decks from the main floor and some other incredible features. We've spent a lot of time on the outside of these homes. Now it's time for me to invite you to the inside. The team at Crystal and Fernbrook, along with the architects, have spent countless hours designing the perfect homes to suit Eagles Rest Estates. Every feature has been well thought out. These are not your typical subdivision homes, and when you have a chance to go through the floor plans, you'll see the many great options that exist. You're going to love the expansive kitchens, the beautiful two-story family and dining rooms. The master bedrooms are to die for, as well as the beautiful en-suites and so many other features we know you're going to fall in love with. I know you've fallen in love with Eagles Rest and you want to know how to secure your home there. All you have to do is contact your favorite realtor.